Hello everyone, my name is Xiaoyu Wang from ERCAT. Today I will present a Python-based EMT model quality testing tool. Background: the growth of invert-based resources would lead to a need of EMT studies to identify the potential challenges, for example, weak read issue, that the typical positive sequence model and tools may not be adequate. To have an adequate EMT model, for example, PSCAD model, is imperative and has been a tedious task to examine the model quality. A Python-based PSCAD model quality testing tool named PCAR was developed at ERCAT to facilitate the testing of individual IBR's PSCAD model quality. Currently, there are 8 functionalities in the PCAR tool for PSCAD model quality tests, including the voltage step-up, step-down tests, LVRT, HVRT tests, SCR test, impedance scan tool, and phase angle jump tests. The notable features of the PCAR tool include the following. It uses the automation libraries in PSCAD, which makes the tool flexible to update and expand functionalities. The tool includes functions for PSCAD model quality tests, which can be used to facilitate the model performance review process. The tool automatically creates and consolidates the simulation plots by adding both PSSE and PSCAD plots in a single platform. The tool supports multiple runs and parallel computations, which improves the simulation efficiency. The tool reduces case building time to let the engineers or users focus on the studies and result analysis. Here are some sample results by using the tool to conduct the LVRT test. On the left-hand side, the PSSE and PSCAD model showed consistent response in terms of P, Q, and the voltage at the POI. On the right-hand side, the PSSE model showed acceptable response during the LVRT period, but the PSCAD model showed wrong dynamic VAR response over the same time period. In this case, we need to contact the resource owner to update the PSCAD model. Conclusions: a Python-based PSCAD model quality testing tool, PCAR, was developed at ERCAT to facilitate the tests of PSCAD models. The tool helps the developers, planners, and manufacturers to identify the model issues and improve the PSCAD models timely. The tool is publicly available at the link below. You can download and play with it. If you have any issue, just let us know. Thank you.